Unlock your child's full potential with IXL. Let's dive into how you can be their learning champion from home. First, log into your IXL parent account. The key is the Analytics tab, giving you a bird's-eye view of your child's learning journey. Click it. See those circles? That's skill analysis. Quickly spot strengths and, importantly, areas where your child might need a little extra support. Notice any areas consistently lagging. That leads us to recommendations. IXL smartly suggests skills to practice based on your child's previous work. It's like having a personalized learning plan already made. Simply click on a recommended skill to assign it. Now, let's assign it. Find the Assign to Student button usually at the top of the skill page and click it. Boom, assigned. Communication is key. Use IXL's messaging feature, if available, to connect with your child's teacher. Share your observations and collaborate on creating a truly personalized learning experience. And that's it. You're now equipped to use IXL effectively to support your child's learning, identify skill gaps, and create a personalized learning journey. Go be awesome.